Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, coming to you from our Art Academy, where this week we are making a pet care collage. All you need to do this at home is a blank sheet of paper. I'm just using a half sheet, that's all I really need, and a picture of an animal. Now here at the museum we have different animal themed magazines. You can flip through and find your favorite animal. If you don't have a magazine like that available, you can also just print something from the internet, or even if you have like a photo of a pet that you have at home that you have permission to cut out, any of those will work. So first thing is to choose your animal. I'm actually going to use this snake that's just on the inside cover, and you're going to cut it out and you're going to glue it to the center of your piece of paper. Okay, I have my snake cut out, glued to the center of my paper. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to use markers, or if you're doing this at home, you can use crayons or colored pencils or even just a black pen. And I am going to draw a background for our snake. Now this is our pet care collage, so I want to make sure if this is my pet snake, what does my pet snake need in order to be safe and healthy? It needs food, it needs shelter, it needs water, it needs maybe something to keep it entertained, and then I can also give him some wants, some things that would be fun for my snake while he's, kind of hanging out here. So that's all I'm going to do with my markers, is I'm going to draw in those details. All right, I have filled in my background. I have given him a terrarium so that he's not like wandering around the house, and some grass that he can sit on, as well as rocks that he can climb on or warm up under his nice heat lamp. He's got food and water, and look, he's actually got a pet owner taking care of him in the background, showing him love, making sure that all of those needs are being met. So this is our project that we have set up in the Art Academy. Let's take a look at what some of our other visitors here at the museum are working on. And we have some more animal collages happening over here. Do you mind showing this one off for us? Look at all of these different animals, and it looks like they're all friends. I like that the lion is leaning really casually on top of the sea turtle, just relaxing. And we have is that a seal? I think that's a seal hanging out with our little giraffe over there, or really big giraffe. Maybe it's a very tiny giraffe and a very big seal. And that's our art project for this week. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us here in the Art Academy. I'm Danny. We'll see you all soon. Bye.